Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zoho CRM API for leads and activities, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Zoho CRM API for leads and activities, begin by creating a Zoho Developer Console account. Visit the Zoho Developer Console website. Log in with your Zoho credentials or sign up for a new account. Once logged in, click on Add Client to create a new application. Choose Server-Based Applications as the client type. Fill in the required details, including client name and homepage URL. In the Redirect URI field, enter a valid URL where the authentication response will be sent. Click on Create to finalize your application setup. After creating the client, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Next, head over to the Zoho API console to generate your access token. To do this, construct an authorization URL with your client ID. Direct your browser to the generated authorization URL. Once you log in, you will be asked to grant access to your application. After granting access, you will be redirected to the specified redirect URI. The redirected URL will contain an authorization code. Copy the authorization code for the next step. Now, use the authorization code to request an access token. Make a post request to the token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, grant type, and the authorization code in the request body. In return, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely for future use. To make API calls, include the access token in the authorization header as a bearer token. Keep in mind, access tokens expire after a certain duration. Use the refresh token to obtain a new access token when needed. Now you're ready to authenticate and interact with the Zoho CRM API for leads and activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.